Stay home, kids.
No, you heard what I said, right?
How's it going, guys? My name's Kyle from Iconics, and in today's video we are going to be playing a little hostage extraction at Blast Camp in Hobart, Indiana. In this video I'm going to be using my G&G Polar Star that I recently picked up. Going to be running a mixed load of tracer rounds, .28s, .26s. So it's all I had on hand.
Hey, go!
But the objective of this game is to pick up the hostage without hurting him or killing him. We're going to be playing on the barracks map in this version. But I'm excited for you guys to see what happens, and let's get right into the video.
Hey! Together! Okay, reach. 3, 2, go! Reach. Don't say that you're going. I can hear you. Okay, go in, go in. What are you doing? Oh!
This is my first time actually using this gun. I'm usually running the sniper rifle, which I was also running in the day, but I decided to take a little break to use this gun. So go easy on me in the comments for using this inappropriately.
Okay.
Hey, is that room clear? Clear across. Keep your guns up. I walked in, he's like, bang, kill me.
Remember, don't kill hostage.
Let me leave. Watch out, watch out. Hey, watch out.
Hey, let Parker in first.
What's up? I need a stone in here.
Stay behind him.
I like how we're all simultaneously running through.
Okay, go, go. Don't just stand there. That's Parker, go.
Hey, John, my question is, who the fuck puts windows in a bathroom? Welcome to the 70s missile bases. This is actually 50s missile bases.
Anyone check the shower room?
No, not yet. Check that back room like on the street.
Who's got a grenade?
Oh, what's that?
Hey. Hey, grenade! We need a grenade!
How'd I cheat? No, I said good shooting, brother. Oh, I thought you said good shooting. I heard good shooting. He's racist.
Hey, come here, come here, come here. Right around the corner. Yeah, throw it in the chute. Throw it in the chute. Right up here. Throw it in there.
I said that didn't vent.
Oh. No, it didn't go in.
You're good. You're good. Clear out. That's a death on you guys.
It was in between the wall. Okay.
At this point, rather than arguing, we just go back and respawn and regroup. It's like 20 feet, so might as well just play out the rest of the game without fighting with the ref.
The hostage is in that room. The one you got killed at. Okay, let's let's go into the main door. You just get shot at? No. Okay, let's go hostage room then.
So coming up here, I try to get directly line of fire on that door. My mag wasn't feeding properly. That's on me for not having the right equipment to use during this game. Coming up, I'm going to be using mid caps for this so it feeds properly, but I'm using a high cap that just did not want to work with this gun. So here I'm making sure I don't get flanked. I see somebody, shoot him. It was my teammate. Oh well. But now I take my targeting off on the actual enemy.
My mag sucks. because I forgot to take it off. Hey! Hey! Mother freak. Sight keeps falling off. Hey, Bark, around back, around back. Come on. Is anyone there?
Yeah, they're hiding on the inside of the building.
Hey, move up! You're not gonna hit. You got him?
One.
Let's move up then.
There's two of them there, though. I tried to fix the window. There was a guy in the corner last time. Oh, sorry. You scared me. You're fine.
You take wide. Yeah, take the window, take the window.
Take what?
Window.
Do what?
Wait, get down. Come on, come on.
So we decided to flank around to their spawn, make sure they can't go and reinforce. This was my bad calling coming up here, which leads to the
Okay, so you're gonna flank
actual
around to the
hostage
wall
getting
while
shot.
we cover fire.
I sent our smallest group member
wall, where
to
the
the window
bathroom
where
is.
he is being held
You
at,
ready?
and all he can see is the top of his head
You're gonna go
and the
direct left.
camo, which the
Clear.
other team is
We're
running.
gonna take 3.
So maybe my fault that we actually lost this match.
Yeah. Can I go back 17? Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Go to 3, go to 3. That's Parker. Game over.
I think we killed this. We killed the guy.
We killed the hostage.
I can barely do it. Watch this.
You shot him.
Watch. You know how reloads are right here? He makes it use. The hostage was? I thought it was fucking emo.
Oh.
Well, you can, but we're gonna shoot you in the balls.
That's acceptable. But if you shoot him, you lose.
That's okay. It'll be acceptable.
Acceptable loss. Oh, jeez.
You get the full auto though.
Stop your shooting, please.
9, 8,
This fucking dude.
7. I will shoot the hostage right now.
Hey, there's no rush.
I was like, ah!
Okay. Watch the back window.
I am the sexiest man alive. Everybody wants me.
Okay, come on, come on. No.
It's gonna be okay before you get back.
So,
Watch out behind us. Hey. Here, you take point. I'll be in here. I'll just stay away from over there. Where's our team? My finger was off the trigger.
I know. Just in case. Oh shit! Wait, hold on. Hello.
Why do you guys have that on the field?
Because I forgot it was in my pocket.
Hey, keep your guard up.
I haven't been shot in it yet. Hopefully.
Hey, monkey.
This hand first. Okay, one.
No, I can't do both.
I'm gonna scream now. Wait. Assisting. Oh, that's not allowed.
I didn't even shoot. I'll put a
You got
beat.
ammo?
Where? Hey, I hit you.
Is that Nathan? Nathan?
Wait, what?
What?
Watch out. Keep your gun up.
You're really shooting air and like two little seconds. Because I was watching you shooting air, round, air.
Did I really ricochet?
What?
I ricocheted somebody.
I think you did. We shouldn't have pinned, but he pinned it.
So how are you guys? Okay. First.
Be quiet.
Someone's here. Keep your corners. Actually. Hey, stop that.
I'm sorry, I just had
Move.
I'm dead.
Dead man coming out. Dead man coming out. Go. Dead man. No, come here. I'm using you as.
No, you are not using me as a human shield, Kyle. Go punch this, bro.
How are you not hitting me? Ow, that hit me right in the nose. No problem.
So at this point, I walk off the field because I don't want to get blood anywhere and ruin the game for everyone else. So I take myself out, We end up losing because the enemy team does capture the hostage. He comes, checks on me.
No problem. Dad,
I guess it was commentator's curse
Dad,
because
man.
I literally
Dad.
called it. Well,
Dad.
that'll be it for this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. The BB did not go in my nose, and remember to wear face protection. From here on out, I'm probably going to be wearing face protection. It could have been a tooth. It could have been worse. But we'll see you guys in the next video.